Hi, this is Dr. Ragini from Jata Fertility Center, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. So let's know what actually is the intermediate type of treatment, that is intrauterine insemination or IUI. What is IUI? How many times can IUI be done in one cycle, and when is it done, and what is the chances of success, and what is the costing involved in this procedure? So IUI is a good type of procedure where it mimics the natural ways, because the only thing that we are doing in an IUI is that we are aiming to release one or two eggs at the right time. That is, when we are giving certain ovulation induction drugs. In this, these tablets are given so that the eggs are released, are growing at least one or two, and certain amount of injections are supplemented based on the weight of the woman and also based on how many failures she has been in the previous and how was the response in the previous cycle. So importantly, how was her previous response based on that number of dose of injections is been given to her. Once proper doses of treatment have been started, she is again called back to see how is the growth of the egg. To follow up scan, we need to at least appreciate the growth of egg from the previous scan. In some cases, we do see that the growth of the eggs is not corresponding or the growth of the eggs is good. So, depends upon the patient's response to the treatment, the next follow-up of the procedure is being done. If the response is good, further the IUI is being planned. If the response is not good, means the egg growth is not adequate, she might require another dose of gonadotropin also in the same cycle. All this treatment is to only aim at the good egg and good blood flows and good endometrium. If all these are in place, obviously the good tubes also, the patent tube. If all these are good, the IUI will be planned. How is the IUI done? IUI, the patient need not have any sedation. It can be done without sedation on a OPD basis. Means the patient comes, the scan is done. Once the follicle is confirmed that it is ruptured, then the husband sample is collected within the center. Once the sample is collected, the patient is advised to take certain fluids so that the bladder becomes full. Once the bladder becomes full, the entry of the sperms to be kept inside the uterus will be easy. And then once the semen sample is collected, the process of preparation of the semen depends upon how is the count of the semen. If the semen count is not very good and it is average, the certain swim up method is used. When it is good, and density gradient method is used. So based on the semen volume, semen count, the procedure is technique of preparation has been done. Once it is done, the patient is taken inside the procedure room. On ultrasound guided, the catheter is loaded with the washed semen about 0.5 ml, and without any pain, a small catheter is placed inside the vagina and it is injected. And with this, the procedure is ended and she can just lie down for 15 to 20 minutes and she can again go to washroom and be regular at work. She no need to take an excessive rest, complete away from work habit. She can resume her work immediately. The results are not varying. So after this, the chances for pregnancy will be around 12 to 15% from IUI. So next, what is the cost in India is around 8 to 10,000 is the procedure cost that will happen, apart from how is the growth and how is the gonadotropin doses that she requires. To know more, do follow us. Thank you.